check this out, huh? Oil drum. These are day-old baby chickens. Gas burner. Wow, there's 200 or 300 in there. There's what they look like when they're done. Look at that, huh? 4 on a stick. 20 baht each, yeah? Well, she's trimming up the sticks. They got tons of them, tubs full. Not for me, but interesting nonetheless. Cool design, huh? There it is. Never know what you're going to see in the market. Same again, but grilled this time over charcoal. And these are the unhatched eggs. The eggs that were not fertilized out of the incubator. Kind of nasty in my opinion, but pretty popular here. Here's what the birds look like off the grill. I think they look better grilled. There's some more eggs. These are boiled. I guess these other ones are as well. Boiled and skewered and grilled. It's an acquired taste. And the grill master at work. How do you cook 500 chickens at one time? Well, it's not too bad when they're small.